All right, I'm live. Yeah, I think I'm still live. I was trying to get the volume high. So, this is very classic. There is a Sasquatch sleeping 100 feet to the 40 feet to the left of the trail. First time I've experienced this. He's snoring, or she's snoring. Fast asleep. Dreamland. I can't hear it anymore. Huh. How you doing? Yeah, I think I woke the Sasquatch up. That was fun. First time ever. Now, all right, well, got it on film. Might as well keep filming a little bit here. I'm on the Olympic Peninsula. Beautiful spring day today. Yeah, beautiful spring day. And a little bit out of shape, but well, doing okay. Alrighty, you've seen enough. Sun's going down. That was fun. Sasquatch snoring in the forest.